Hello everyone, in this video, this can be an in-depth tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how step by step you can go ahead and create a Squarespace website for your business. This can be a quick one. I'm just going to go ahead, create the homepage for you guys, show you everything Squarespace is about, give you a few tips, and by the end of this video, you are going to know how to make a basic Squarespace website. Make sure to check out the other tutorials on my channel because I've got tons of info, little pieces of code, little tips you guys can go ahead and use to create a stunning Squarespace website and hopefully increase the revenue to your business. Anyway, let's jump into the Squarespace editor and I'll show you how you can do this for yourself. Right then guys, we are here in the Squarespace portal. To go ahead and create a website, simply click in the top right corner, create website. We can go ahead and use a template, but we'll go ahead and do a blank one for this video so you guys can really see how easy it is. So start with this design. Now guys, we're here in the editor. Let's go give it a name, whatever you guys want. It'll give you a default one otherwise. Example. You can go ahead and use a template. It might be easy for you guys, but I'll show you how to do this from scratch just so you can see how easy it is. Great, let's go into the editor here and you want to start or just see what we've got here. Or just name your brand, whatever your one might be. There's tons of different editing things you can do in here. We'll get rid of the divider for this example. One of the first things you guys should do when you start a website is go ahead and do the site styles, meaning your fonts and color palettes. For this example, we'll just use one of the default ones they have. I quite like that one. That's nice actually, we'll go with that. As well as colors, I suggest if you're doing this for real, going ahead and choosing a color and font that is custom, because everyone's going to be using this default stuff. So be creative with it. Let's have a look. Got that. That's pretty nice. Similar buttons, you can adjust all this stuff in here. Yeah, I think that works pretty well. You can go ahead and change the background here by going to edit section, background. I've just uploaded a video on how to add a video background, so if you want to know how to do that, make sure to check out my other videos. But for this, we will go ahead and choose an image, stock images, a website design. Let's try that one. That might contrast quite well with the whole text color I've got here. It's pretty nice. You can also add image effects to it as well. But yeah, it's not gonna look like the prettiest thing in the world just from like a 10-minute video, but that works pretty well. Got the navigation at the top. You know what? You can also go ahead and just add a plain color. Just remove that, and that works well. We'll go ahead and do that for this video because I don't want to overcomplicate it too much. I want to get as much information to you across as possible. You can go ahead and add blank sections, but you know what? If you want to go ahead and choose something like this and just work from that, that's also a fantastic option. Let's go with this. We'll remove the divider. Add this to H2. Websites, design, services. Then you can just add as much text as you want in there. Add an image. Try that. Cool. Fantastic. That image is just uploading. I'm not really sure what to think about this color here. So what you can do is go to edit section, colors, and we can just see. There we go. That contrasts really well. On top of that, I'm not really sure about this color on this. So what you can do is go to colors under here, lightest one, and where are we? And you can just adjust everything here. It might actually be the other color. So yeah, bright one. Fantastic. And you can just scroll through these, make sure it's perfect. There we go. That is black now. That works a lot better for me. You can just go ahead, scroll through these, change every individual one. I think that'll be paragraph medium. And it just makes it so much easier with Squarespace. I quite like the color with that button though, so we can keep that the same. Cool, we'll go ahead, let's add a contact us page. There's tons of different options for this. Let's go ahead and change the color of this one to the original one from before. Is that the same color? I think it might be a different one actually. There we go. Add all your information in there. We could go ahead, add some testimonials. This is massive. There we go. It's all done for you, so all you guys would really need to do is go ahead and edit this. But really, there's not too much to Squarespace. It does get a bit complicated when you need to start adding little pieces of code. For example, if I wanted to add testimonials and I wanted them to scroll, that might be something I need to add a bit of custom CSS to. Saying that, if you want to see tutorials on that, tons of stuff within my YouTube channel. And it's basically just an archive of little things that I pick up on day to day as a web designer. If I don't know how to do something and I need to learn how to do it, I will then go ahead and upload it onto the channel. So you guys have everything all in one place. I've just gone deep into really everything. It's just a little overview. As well as that, if you want to add some pages, I've got another video on how to add a navigation bar, so check that out. In fact, I have a whole playlist of all of the Squarespace fundamentals. So adding a navigation, adding images, adding a video background, that's all in one place for you guys. So I recommend going to check that all out. But I'll show you this anyway. If you want to add a blank page, just call it About first. And that's all in there for you guys. Fantastic. So you've got a basic homepage now. This is something to work with. You can go ahead, get all the information off your customers. I know there's so much that goes into actually creating a website. If you want to check out some of my work that I've done for clients, that's all going to be in the link in the description. If you have any questions at all, contact me through WhatsApp. And if you'd like to take a project on board for you, that is also another option. So go ahead, book a call through my Calendly link in the description, and I can find out a bit about your business and how we can build a stunning website together that we can both be proud of. Thank you guys for watching.